If you already have a game installed on your computer and you want Epic Games Launcher to recognize it without downloading everything again, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a simple method to add an already installed game to Epic Games, and it only takes a few minutes. This is super useful if you reinstalled Windows, moved a game to another drive, or just want Epic to detect files you already have. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Find the game you already have installed on your PC, and instead of launching it, click Install. Now, this part is important. When Epic asks you where to install the game, choose the exact folder where the game is already located. If you're not sure, browse to the drive and folder where the game files are stored and select that location. After that, start the install process. Let it run for just a few seconds, then pause it or cancel it. The goal here is not to download the game again. We're only letting Epic create the install structure so it can recognize the files you already have. Once you've paused or cancelled the install, close the Epic Games Launcher completely. Make sure it's fully shut down before moving to the next step. Now, go to the folder where Epic started the new install and replace those new files with your existing game files. In many cases, you can simply move or copy your already installed game files into that same folder so Epic sees them in the correct location. After the files are in place, reopen the Epic Games Launcher. Go back to your library, find the game again, and Epic should begin verifying the files instead of downloading the whole game from scratch. This verification step checks that your existing files match what Epic expects. Depending on the game size, this may take a little while, but it is much faster than a full re-download. If everything is correct, Epic will finish verifying and the game will be ready to play. And that's it. You've successfully added an already installed game to Epic Games without wasting time or bandwidth. This is one of the easiest tricks for managing your game library more efficiently. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Epic Games and PC gaming tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.